A Premier League star was reportedly caught cheating by his wife after she saw him with a glamorous model on their Ring doorbell camera. The high-flying footballer, who represents his country internationally, is said to have struck up an 8-month affair with the woman after spotting her on social media.
Their secret relationship had started as messages on social media, but it quickly developed into something more serious as the Premier League ace is said to have made her promises he couldn't keep. He was then ditched by his wife after the secret girlfriend messaged her when he refused to leave his life for the woman with whom he was cheating.
The model, who is almost 10 years older than the two-timing talent, is said to have revealed all to his wife following the illicit hookups. Read more in Football. Man United injury blow as Martinez out for a month. Along with another defender. City 4 Villa 1 Foden scores hat-trick as City keep up pressure on Arsenal and Liverpool. And when his wife demanded proof after he denied it, the older mistress told her to check their smart camera footage at their multi-million-pound home.
The Prem star's marriage then exploded with his love life in tatters. A source told the Mirror, the star spotted this girl on social media and took a shine. He started messaging her, inviting her out, the usual stuff. But it developed into an affair which lasted 8 months. Most read in Football. RIP Luke. South African football star, 24, tragically shot dead in failed hijacking double take. Two sons of Old Trafford cult hero sign first pro contracts with Man Utd PHIL year boots. Phil Foden's huge off-pitch earnings revealed as star's fortune soars. War over Neil Warnock, 75, officially retires after being snubbed by former club. They added, eventually they had a blazing row because he made a load of promises he couldn't keep.
She contacted his wife, who asked her for proof of their relationship because he immediately denied it. The mistress went back with some direct messages, but the real killer blow was when she told his wife to check out the Ring doorbell footage.
That's when it's all exploded. The footballer is said to have been left furious after the revelations came to light and set light to his marriage. His globe-trotting former mistress has nearly 10,000 social media followers and regularly posts photos of her travels, reports the Mirror.